What's up, guys? I'm Tom Jurgen. I'm quickly getting the nickname around here as Tax Tom. I'm a tax analyst. I'm on GrowthLab's team. What we're trying to do here is make the tax year a little easier to deal with. That way we're not working 60 to 80 hours a week, sort of planning things out ahead of time, setting a cadence for specific work that we're doing, and keeping current and communication very top of mind with our clients. We want them to know what they're getting. We want them to know when they're getting it done by. And we want to kind of stick to that schedule. One of the ways that we've been trying to do this is by using this new awesome software called Tallyfor. We just implemented it this year, and it's been a huge help for us. So far, we started using it probably in September, I'd say, and thought, maybe we would have to wait until the beginning of 2023 to kind of see what it can do for us. But turns out we were able to get started right away. That's one of the best features I've noticed so far with it is even when the financials aren't done or closed through 2022, you can sort of get a head start and pull in the financials through, whatever month you already have closed. And you can go ahead and code your transactions to the specific chart of accounts that you would like it to integrate with CCH or whatever software that you're using, and get and plan ahead for when your financials are done through December. It's really easy. Once all your financials are closed through the full year, you can just kind of click a button, bring in the last 2 or 3 months that you haven't coded so far, and it'll already filter that information into the chart of accounts that you've already coded. So it should make it super easy for you by the end of the year. We're trying to bring on a lot more clients this year, and in order to do that, we didn't want to be kind of pumping information and financials in at the last second. So this allowed us to go ahead, get it done earlier, and then by the time our accounting team, who we keep very close communication with, was done with the books, we sort of brought in the last couple of months of information, pressed a button, and boom, it was already ready for us to integrate into CCH. So that was really, really helpful, I think, for us. That way we're not, pressing buttons and inputting each number individually because that tends to cause some human error. I know I've typed in plenty of incorrect numbers before, and so that has been extremely helpful. And the Tallyfor guys, I have to really thank you for that, because that's amazing. And one of the best things about it actually is I was formerly a bookkeeper, so I was in QuickBooks in Xero all the time. Wasn't really my favorite thing, so that's actually why I'm in tax now. But with that experience, I had to code a lot of things through the bank feed in QuickBooks in Xero, and that was something that I became very familiar with. And to me, someone who came from that, I noticed that Tallyfor has a very similar interface, and it makes it extremely easy for me to sort of transition into and try to refer back to, coding in QuickBooks and Xero. They really bring in your general ledger, your trial balance, all the transactions from QuickBooks, from Xero, whatever platform that you're using, and you sort of just pick where you want it to integrate to once it goes into CCH. And once you code it, it moves up on the interface, couples it with all the other transactions that will be coded to that same chart of account, and sort of organizes everything for you. So it really helped me having the experience, but for someone who's new and never had that experience with QuickBooks or Xero, it's also very easy to pick up. The guys at Tallyfor are extremely helpful. If you ever have any questions, you may not even need to reach out to them. They have a lot of perfect, helpful links already on their platform. I know one that I use is the help article to integrate CCH and Tallyfor. You might need a little bit of help if you forgot how to do something. I click on the link, it brings me right to the article I need, and it's like 4 steps. I just look at it, and all of a sudden I remember how to do it again. So that's always extremely helpful as well. I appreciate that a lot. I like how it's in the cloud. Makes it much easier to save. You don't have to worry about, the old dinosaur softwares where you have to click save every single time, and if you don't, you lose all your progress that you already made. You close your computer, and an hour later you're at dinner and you're thinking back like, hey, did I press save? If not, I'm screwed. But with this, it saves automatically. All you have to do is go Google Chrome, whatever you're using, log in through Google, your normal login, and everything that you previously did is right there. It makes it super easy for me and the rest of the team, and I know it's something that we plan on using going forward. So thanks, Tallyfor, guys. If you're interested in learning more about how we use Tallyfor, or really just want to talk about how you use Tallyfor, drop a comment, let me know, reach out, be more than happy to talk to you guys about it. Thanks.
That was great. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, leave us some feedback. Also, check out our website, growthlabfinancial.com. Again, subscribe so you can be notified for the next one.